Hello friends, today in this video we are going to show you about the frequently asked questions for the refilling of HP 678 inkjet cartridges. Here we have taken these cartridge. This is color cartridge and this is black cartridge and this is suction tool. Most of the people ask, is suction tool necessary? Look, it is not mandatory, but suction tool is necessary because this tool helps to bring the ink into this nozzle of this cartridge to make print smoother and better. Here I have cut the top portion of this cartridge to show you better view of inside. You can see there are three different foams that contain inks, that is magenta, that is yellow and that is cyan. These foams carry the inks to print. Now second question most people ask, that where to buy the suction tool. Look, this suction tool is available on online websites and you can buy also this from local market also. There is a myth that this cannot be bought from local market, but if it is not cannot be bought from local market, then how the sellers are selling online? That means it is also available in local market. The third question is asked by the most viewers, that ink is not coming even after the use of suction tool and refilling. I will show you better insight. I will remove these sponges or foams. This carry the inks. Look, these holes are pretty small and sometimes the inks get clogged and the dirt and polluted air make it unable to pass the ink through that hole. You can show it better on this black cartridge. Here you can see the foam and inside it there is a paper like content, but no, it is not paper. Through this ink passes from the cartridge to the paper where we regularly print. You can see there are foams. Now it depends on the weather condition also. For winter season, that is dry season, one refilling can print up to 100 and 150 pages, but if you start refilling just after the if you start printing just after the refilling, you can get up to 250 pages to 300 pages after this kind of cartridge refilling. Now another thing, at the entire time of refilling, do not touch the circuit region of these cartridges. These circuit regions are very sensitive, and when it is get damaged, then your printer will not detect the cartridge, and there is many problem. Most people say that cartridge can be reset. No, it is not true. Cartridges cannot be reset permanently. You can reset, but problems will occur again and again. So be very careful at the time of refilling and do not damage or even touch the circuit portion or even the nozzle portion of these cartridges. Now how many times of refilling can be done? Look, there are no particular number of refilling. You can say that this number of refilling can be done, because as smoothly or as precisely you will refill, the more refilling you will get. If you are refilling and not using the suction tool, the ink will get clogged into this cartridge. That means only 1 to 2 times refilling will damage your cartridge. But you use regularly the suction tool, then your number of refilling will be much higher, much greater, and you will get more printing from these cartridges. Now another thing is asked, that is this cartridges CISS upgradable? No, the CISS cartridge is different. You may upgrade to CISS cartridge, but CISS ink will flow through this cartridge using these sponges. Every cartridge has its life expectancy, and after few months or after a few hundred pages of refilling, the cartridge will be damaged and you have to buy another new cartridges. So I will prefer not to upgrade these cartridges for CISS upgrade. Just try better refilling and keep printing much and more. Now another question is asked, ink is not coming after even using the suction tool. This purpose is the sponge few times get hardy and sponge is get damaged, then there is no option, you have to buy the new cartridges. If your cartridges are damaged, how can you refill or reset printer or cartridges using computer? You have to buy new cartridges. So that's all. Please like the video if you get any help from this video, and thank you for watching this video.